Hey guys, I'm Caleb, and today we're going to go to a secret waterfall again. Now we wait. The team's riding their horses, and we're gonna have to wait. And then we have like another mile to hike, and then we'll be done at the waterfall. Before we get back to the video, me and my grandma are having a competition for who can get the most subscribers by the end of Christmas. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe, and that would really help a lot so we can win this race. Okay, we are ready. Dang, it's pretty high right now.